Good morning, everyone. A good afternoon, a good evening. This is Miss Lena, and I hope everyone's doing all right today. I am blessed. Hope everyone is blessed. And I'm coming to you this afternoon. I'm going to do a breakfast hash, but this is right now. I'm doing it like it's gonna be kind of like a brunch for us. This is about this. It's between 11 and 12. But this is something that you can do for a breakfast. So I'm going to get my scripture, and I'm going to read the scripture for you to you. Okay. Okay. The angel of the Lord encamped round about them that fear him and deliver them. Psalms 34:7. Okay. He that believeth on me shall never thirst. John 6:35. So this is my scriptures for today. Always remember that. He that believeth on me shall never thirst. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm doing this breakfast hash, and now you're supposed to have thick breakfast bacon, but I only have turkey bacon. I have turkey bacon, and these are a little bit thicker than the others that I usually have. So I'm doing like 5 pieces of turkey bacon that's on there, and I have it on a little electric plate. And you put in it, I have right here, I have a half of a green bell pepper and half a red bell pepper. One full because I'm only cooking just a little bit. And I have 3 small potatoes in cubes, and I have a half of an onion. This is it. And I have 4 eggs. It calls for a little bit more, but I'm only gonna have, this is just for DJ and I, so I don't have it. And I've already made us some toast to go with it afterwards. So now the bacon is cooking.
Yeah, we'll be back once the bacon is done.
Okay. I need to put it. Okay, I've turned it over, so it's got to just brown on that side just a little bit, and then I'll be taking it out, and then I'll be putting the potatoes and all the onions and stuff in. But I have to have just a little bit of grease in here for it to do so.
Okay, we'll be right back when she put the potatoes in.
Okay, I'm gonna start taking the bacon out because I'm gonna put the potatoes in. It's not exactly as crispy as I'd like to have it, but I'm gonna start doing this, guys, because the cured turkey bacon doesn't have any grease in it. But now if you get the uncured, but the cured does have a little bit of grease in it. So now I'm going to be putting in my potatoes, and this is smoked cubed potatoes, onions. Yeah. I have 1/2 of a medium-sized onion, which is about 1/4 cut up, and I have the red bell pepper with the green bell pepper. Now this is what you call making a breakfast hash. I'm going to cut it up now, so. Put it on medium high, which is 375. So now I can also put my ingredients on. So I'm putting a little white pepper. White pepper. Onion powder.
Alright, y'all, we'll be back once the sticks start getting brown. And that's complete, y'all. We'll be back once it start browning.
All right, I'm chopping up the bacon to put in there. Okay, I put a little bit more grease on top of this, so I'm trying to get most of it out with the paper towel. Because it wouldn't be greased out if I had it here. Okay. Just kind of chopping it up a little bit. So when I chop it up, I just throw it in. Okay, I was supposed to put a whole egg in each little hole, but I did start beating them up, so. Okay. I have 4 eggs. It's supposed to be 6. I only have 4. Okay.
Okay, y'all, she started beating eggs up. You wasn't supposed to even beat the egg up. The egg's supposed to stay whole, and you put it in each pocket, and then you put the top on it for 6 to 8 minutes.
Okay.
So we'll be back once it get ready.
Okay, this is the breakfast hash. It was made with bacon, potatoes. Okay, it was made with bacon, potatoes. I made it with turkey bacon. Now you can make it with any kind of bacon that you'd like to make it with, or if you want to just make it with sausage, you can make it with sausage also. But this is I use red bell peppers and green bell peppers and onions, and I use 4 small potatoes, and I diced them up, and I just kind of turned since the turkey bacon doesn't have any grease or anything in it, because I use the uncured. But now, if you use the cured kind, you may have a little bit of grease come out of the cured kind, but the uncured don't have any grease in it at all.
And y'all, your egg's supposed to look like that. Miss Lena forgot, and
yeah, I started beating the egg
beating
up.
them, and then each one of the eggs supposed to come out like this. Supposed to put them in the sections.
So next time I'll show you again, but I haven't made this in a long time, and I forgot about it. I went to beat the egg up, and then she thought about it that it's supposed to go in the center and not beat up. So anyway, this is the final touches of your breakfast hash, and you do it with anything. So I hope you all will try it, because it's really good. And you can, like I said, you can use any kind of bacon you want, or you can use sausage. It just takes a little while. So thank you so Okay, so now this is my pre, and like I said, they can use it for blunt for this is for breakfast, but I'm using it for. All right, I thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you all will try it. But don't forget to leave your eggs whole. But I started beating mine like I was going to scramble eggs. So we leave your eggs whole and make 4 little holes in there, and then you have it all together. So thank you so much, and I will be back with another video later. Thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen. Bye bye, and all my love with all of my subscribers and everybody. I thank you so much for this video. Bye bye.
And to the members of the channel, thank you. Bye.